Enjoy. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make some Jamaican sorrel drinks the real way. You're also going to need some fresh ginger. Whatever you decide to do with it, that's totally up to you. You can grate it, blend it, or put it in the food processor. All right. Okay, guys. So right here I have some nice blended ginger that I blended earlier. You know, this is going to give our drink a nice, stronger ginger flavor to the sorrel. And the pimento seeds, that's also going to add some nice flavor to our drink as well. Basically, it's going to give it a nice combination of cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, you know, the perfect spices. All right. Now I'm just going to add these two ingredients right here, the ginger and the pimento seeds, to some hot water. All right, guys, so I'm just going to add the pimento seeds. Add my ginger. And you just want to stir the water up a little bit. Give it a nice little stir. So once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to add my sorrel and let it cook for at least about 5 minutes or until the water is nice and red. All right? And then we're going to turn it off and let it sit for at least a day or so. But I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'm also using some freshly picked sorrel from the backyard. I'm also going to add some cinnamon sticks, just a couple. It's looking nice and rich, guys. So we're just gonna let this sit overnight just to extract some more of the flavor and color from the sorrel and the ginger. And then we'll add our sugar and a little bit of white rum to it. All right, so stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. So the next thing you want to do, guys, is to strain your sorrel. I'll be using a cheesecloth instead of a strainer. The cheesecloth will definitely help to remove all the grain and the trash from the sorrel and the ginger. All right, if you have a strainer at home, you can use that as well. No big deal. Sorrel is looking really good, guys. All right, real good. Now I'm just gonna squeeze everything out. Make sure we get all the juice, you know. Can't afford to waste anything. Alright guys, now it's time to start sweetening, you know, our sorrel. Alright, so I'm just gonna add about 2 cups of sugar. This is a personal preference thing, alright? So if you wanna add more sugar, you can go ahead and do that as well. You know, if you're more concerned about the less sugar, you know, add less sugar to it. Mix it up a little bit, you know. Sorrel is looking nice and rich right now. I'm also gonna add some rare nephew white rum. Not too much, as you can see, I just a little bit left in my bottle, so I'm just gonna add the whole thing, just to add that white rum flavor to it. You can also add some red label wine, authentic red label Jamaican wine, is it? Yeah. I'm gonna add about a cup of the red label. Now I'm gonna add too much because at the same time you don't wanna take away anything from the main ingredient, which is the sorrel. Alright. Mix it up some more. And this is best served when it's cold, guys. Alright, so we're gonna pour this over a nice glass of ice and enjoy it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna add some ice to my cup. Pour on the good old sorrel, you know. And enjoy. Oh, it's looking so good. Ooh. Oh yes guys, so please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you next time.